I'm Aaron Edwards with AgriVision Solutions in Salisbury, Missouri. The reason we're coming to 360's open house is to be able to see the products running firsthand. As a dealer, we try to bring customers in order to let them see the products run. That way they can make decisions on their own on what they need for their operation. Another reason we come to 360's open house is to see the yield results from their proving grounds that Greg and the team have been working on over the year. If you have any questions about 360 Yield Center's products, you can get on their website at 360yieldcenter.com, or don't hesitate to reach out to us at AgriVision Solutions.